Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ankush. In our today's video, we are going to learn about AWR report. In my last video, I have seen some of the candidates have asked for the AWR report, and because of that only, I am going to create this video. While we are working as a Oracle DBA, the performance tuning plays a really important role, because let's say your client is spending a lot of money for your Oracle databases, but still you don't see a good performance because they are having some expectation, because they are the one who is giving the money to us. So definitely they are expecting that your database performance should be really good. So if you face some kind of performance issue in our Oracle database, so what are all things that we can do from our side? These are all things we are going to cover with this video. So Oracle is coming with the AWR report, and there is a way to get that AWR report for the Oracle databases. Whatever happening on your Oracle database, Oracle is always taking the snapshot for the Oracle database itself. So what does it mean by snapshot? What is currently happening on the Oracle database? So let me take one example. Let's say you got some performance problem 3 AM EST. Now what you will do, you will not take the AWR report for the whole database because you got the problem on 3 AM EST. So in that case, you can take the snapshot, or you can take the AWR starting from the snapshot timing 2 AM EST to 4 AM EST. Now if you just take one AWR report, again that will not helpful for you. So it is always recommend to take different AWR report, compare to each other, and from there itself you will come to know then where was the problem. So you will see some difference, the starting from 2 AM EST to 4 AM EST, because you have the problem on 3 AM EST. But if you compare that AWR report with the previous timing, then definitely you will see some differences, and here you will understand that where was the problem. Actually, AWR report is taking the snapshot. As I said earlier, that Oracle is always taking the snapshot. So what does it mean by snapshot? Snapshot means to say what exactly is happening on the Oracle database on that timing. Let's say there are few people, they are firing some select command, there are some kind of top activities, maybe some RMAN backup is going on, maybe some blocking, deadlock, any other issue, everything will be recorded in that AWR snapshot report. So by using that snapshot, you can take the AWR report for that particular timing. Now again, when my database is down, is it possible to take the AWR report for that timing? No. When you say the start time of snapshot and end time of snapshot, there should not be any downtime in between these two timing of the snapshot. So AWR report works only when your database is continuously running. Okay, so this is the important part that you need to understand. Whenever you are going for an interview, definitely the people will ask this kind of question based upon the AWR report. Again, what kind of license do you need for the AWR report? See, again the Oracle database is coming with a different kind of editions is there. So we have a standard edition, enterprise edition. Standard edition does not comes with the AWR report. If you want to take the report for the standard edition, there is an alternative way, we call it as a stats packs. By using the stats pack, it is something related or something kind of AWR report only. So by using this stats pack, you can take the report, and there itself you can see what are all activities are running on the databases. But if you are using the enterprise edition, definitely you can take the AWR report. You just need the license for that, which is a diagnostic and performance license. So when I'm saying that AWR report keeps the track of Oracle database, what exactly is happening, definitely that track should be stored somewhere. So AWR report keeps the data in the sysop table space. This sysop table space will be created automatically at the time of installation step. Till now we have seen the theory part about the AWR report. Now we will see how we can fetch this AWR report practically. Let us go to my screen and let's see how we can take this AWR report. So let us try to understand how we can fetch the AWR report. So first of all, I am going to check whether my database is up and running. So ps-ef pmon. So currently I can see the database name is prime and currently it is up and running. So next thing is we are going to cross check what versions we are currently using. So I'm just connecting to the SQL Plus utility and type the command at select star from $3 version. So here you will come to know from this command that I'm using Oracle 12c Enterprise Edition. Okay, and as I said earlier, with the help of Enterprise Edition, you will get the access for the diagnostic tool. So if you want to cross check the same thing, you can use the command like show parameter control underscore management pack access. Yeah, pack access. If you fire this command, you will come to know that currently we are getting the value as diagnostic plus tuning. If you have this value, then definitely you can fetch the AWR report. Now this AWR report, if you want to fetch, definitely we need to run one SQL which is provided by the Oracle itself. What is the location of that SQL? Go to the Oracle home, okay, then RDBMS, and then go to the admin. If you go inside the admin, here you will see all the script provided by the Oracle itself. Inside that, there is one script, we called it as a AWR RPT. So I'm just gripping it, AWR RPT. So if you just go here and use the command like AWR RPT and start. Okay, so here you can see this is what I was actually looking for. Okay, AWR RPT.SQL. So let me go to the SQL and fire the command like AWR RPT.SQL. Okay, and let's run it. Now, if you run this SQL, you'll come to know that what format you want the report. You can take the HTML format, which is a default format. Text format also you can take. Or there is something called it as a active HTML is also there. Okay, so it is always good and recommend to go with the HTML format, because if you open this file, you will come to know like what are all parameters are there. If you go with the text, it will be quite boring, even though HTML is also the same way, but better we go ahead with the HTML format. So I'm just mentioning like HTML. Enter the value for number of days. See, when you got the issue, let's say you got the issue yesterday, and you just need to mention like, okay, so you want to fetch the AWR report for 2 days. So you can say like that. So I'm taking the 2-day snapshot. And as we discussed earlier, that AWR report is coming with the snapshot, which is a snap ID. So you'll have a begin snap and end snap. So these are all snapshot has been captured within 2 days, starting from 135 to 146. Now you need to understand that when you got the issue, let's say you got the issue in between this 230. Okay, so you can take the snapshot like 137 to 139. So I'm just taking like 137 and 139. What is the name of report? So you can say any name you can mention as per your wish. So GCP, so I'm just saying like it's GCP db.html. Okay, if you don't give the name, then the by default it would take the name like that only. So again, it is since I have given the name as .html file, it is going to start the take the HTML format, and you will see within few minutes or few seconds that this AWR report has been created. So just hold on for a few seconds, and currently it is running that SQL prompt, yes, the SQL shell script which is provided by the Oracle, and now here you can see that it has been created. Now the next question will be where we can see this HTML, right? So just go ahead and do exit, and if you just go here you can see this is the HTML. Now since it's a Linux platform, you cannot open this HTML, right? So there are two ways. Either you can directly go ahead in the inside VMware, or you can use the WinSCP. Let me open the WinSCP. We will take the files from your Linux platform and we will paste it to the Windows platform. I hope this is the IP address, and let me keep the password for root. Let me save it, login, and now it is connecting to the Linux machine. So what is the IP address of this machine? Okay, it's not working from here. Let me check the host file. It's 50. Okay, so if I go to this location on PWD, okay, let me go here. Okay, here you can see the files. Before that, I will just change with the help of date format, and this is a gcp db.html. So let me go to the desktop location over here. Okay, or I can go any other location also. Let's go here and let me paste it to the desktop location. Okay, let me go back, and here is the HTML format. I have opened this file and let me see how is the content. So this is how you can see the AWR report, and this will give you all over the details about the AWR, like what are all activities were running on the databases. Okay, so everything you can see over here. This is how you can take the AWR report. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please do like, subscribe, and share this channel. Bye bye for the day.